Hello my friend, welcome dear followers of the Light Code channel. Today and in this lesson we talk about the route. But first of all, what is route? Route is the one of the basic concepts in Laravel. The route function is to transfer HTTP request from the user or API to the website. There are different forms of the route, which we'll discuss them one by one in a series of the continuous lessons. But today we will discuss and talk about the basic route. Generally, routes are divided into groups, a group for website and a group for API. Group for website and group for API. And route that responds to API are written in this file here, API folder, this right here, and the route that responds to the user or web right here, web file. But after that, let me show you the general form of the route. Go back to the browser. This is the general form of the route. The general form of route consists of many phrases and many words. I talk about them one by one briefly. First of this keyword route must be here, and here this word determine the task that the route must be do for us. This phrase, name of the route. When we need call the route, we must write this name of the route here for calling the route, and this the function anonymous function. This function without name functionality is to respond to the request. As you know, when we need to upload, when we need to upload our project, we need example create a local server for us. Start this. This will create a local server in our computer. Yes, it worked fine. Then for writing the basic route, we will go to the web file here. We need to set a comment basic route. After that, we write this keyword route colon word that determine the task that route must be do for us. For example, get, after that parenthesis, name of route name. For example, BNM, any name you like. After that, we need to set the anonymous function. Function, parenthesis, and calibrate this, and semicolon. You can see here this general form of the route. In the calibrated, we will writing the task that route must be do for us, must do when call it. For example, return this phrase, welcome my friend, and semicolon. For calling this route, we need to upload our project on the local server. After that, we need to activate our project in the web browser. Create a new terminal. Yes. PHP artisan serve. This command will upload our project on the local server that exam create for us. Hit enter. Yes, uploaded on the local server. After that, we need to activate our project on the web browser and call the route. We named it BNM, any name you like. We'll go to the local host with type local host. Yes, this local host colon 8000 name port. Hit enter. You can see here the official page of Laravel showed here that shows for us the example local server is working fine. Our project uploaded on the local server, and after that we activated our project on the browser. For call the route, we write in the web file /bnm enter. You can see here it show us the phrase we write before in the route here. This show for us. Go to the browser. In this episode, we learn what is route, how it's writing, and how it's work. I think this enough for this episode. Thank you for watching. My advice is to you is to repeat what we have done, because repetition teaches the children and adults. Thank you for watching again, and see you later. Bye bye.